Berries, it's me, Darkberry32.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go?
Alright, y'all. I am on my way to my doctor's appointment, and now I see my battery is low on my camera. This has been a morning. I am not in my car, as you can tell. I'm in Jordan's car because I pulled my car out of the garage and it was all my tires were low. And I think it's because of the cold weather. Every time the cold weather hits, this happens. Let's see if I can sit y'all over here. Yeah, so you know how it be, honey. Right when you want to get somewhere, and I have anxiety about being late anywhere. I got a good 30 minutes to get there, and it normally takes me that long to get there, so I think we'll be okay. But yeah, happy Vlogmas day 17. So glad that Jordan had to move his car out the way because I was like, oh my God, I do not have time to go get air in my tire and make my appointment at the same time. So thank God for, you know, everybody having a car at the house. Kayla couldn't use hers because she's getting ready to go get a drug test done for this job. So yeah, it's just one of those crazy mornings, I guess. It's Thursday. I did log on this morning and worked a little bit, but then I had to get off, you know, get dressed and all that stuff and get ready to go. So I don't know. I was just really tired this morning. I was really tired this morning. I woke up in the middle of the night, but and it took me a minute to get back to sleep, but I did. And I'd be having some crazy dreams, y'all. Crazy dreams. And went back to sleep, and then I don't know. I hear all kinds of stuff in the middle of the night. Like I'll hear Earl get up, or you know, whatever. Every little thing. I can hear him putting his watch on, like early this morning before it was time for me to get up. So I don't know. But I just wanted to come on and say happy Vlogmas day 17, guys. We're rocking and rolling. Going to my doctor's appointment.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight.
Alright, y'all. Hi, everybody. Y'all, did I see? Okay, I went and got that allergy shot along with my, I went for my diabetes checkup, but I actually went also, and I'm so glad that my doctor mentioned allergies, because she gave me an allergy shot. So right now I'm making my cookie dough, and so that way we can make cookies tomorrow. And you notice I said we. I'm gonna start not. But I'm making my cookie dough now, and then we'll be able to roll it out tomorrow. But also I'm working, waiting for stuff to come through, and then because I'm trying to stay awake. That allergy shot was kind of making me a little sleepy. She said it would, but I was like, I don't want to come back out here, you know, so just give it to me, I'll fight it. So that's what I'm doing, fighting it by making cookie dough. And before you ask, because I know some of y'all will, can you give me the recipe? No, sorry. This is a tea cake recipe that I have perfected, for my business, Dark Berry Delights. So, I'm not selling them right now because of the pandemic, but I am making some to give away as Christmas gifts. So, yeah. And I was like, before you even ask, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. So I'm making the cookie dough and everything. Kayla's home. She didn't get the blood test done, right? Drug test done for the for this job she's applying for. So yeah, it's just
an hour.
Whole mess, a whole hot mess. So yeah, so I'm just trying to get things going here. You know, just trying to get it done, y'all. Trying to get it done, honey. I had my stuff kind of sitting out, ready to go. And I haven't, it's so crazy, I hadn't made this in a long time. It's been a while. I didn't even make any during the pandemic, which is kind of crazy. Where is it? I'm gonna make it enough too because I know my family, the one that resides in this house, so that is it for now. I will talk to y'all in a few. Alright, y'all. So, I totally forgot that it is Vlogmas Day 17. I didn't bring much to you guys today. First of all, we had a virtual Christmas party online with work. I've had mango margaritas. Then I got on the phone with my bestie. We had a shot. So your girl is feeling pretty nice. And I got a Christmas present today from my dad and my stepmom. And the cat is here making lots of noises. She probably wants food or something. And I'm at home alone. Home alone. Which is great right now. I was trying to call another friend of mine. She won't answer her phone. But anyway, guys, I don't know if I should close out. I think I should close out because it's 5:25. Kayla's out getting some wings for us. Gosh, I didn't record much today, but I'm so glad. You know, Angela, thank you so much for saying that you guys just like seeing what's going on. I had on, look, this is the shirt that I had on for our virtual party. It says, "Oh, come let us adore him." And I had on my antlers. Let me see if I can find the antlers. They were Kayla's antlers. I had on my antlers for the party. It was really fun. We had like a scavenger hunt. Oh, here they are. And it was like a scavenger hunt. So I had those on. Let me see if I can put them on with one hand. I don't know if I can. I did. Oh, wait. Do I have it on backwards? Yeah, I do. I have it on backwards, y'all. Bear with you, girl. Oh, my goodness. Hold on. So I have to say that only one person that's probably well, I know there's many people watching my vlog, but Angela, you know how a girl gets. She's had a few cocktails. I miss a lot of my friends from the old company that I used to work for. We used to have so much fun together. So yeah, here's my reindeer antlers or whatever you want to call it. So I am going to sign off. I want to say thank you guys so much for just logging in and watching all my Vlogmas shenanigans. You love them. So yeah, so thank you guys again, and thank you for your support. I also want to say, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment below, because I really love answering all of your comments. And just seeing, you know, how you guys like my videos. So yes, so I've already made my cookie dough. I'm going to start baking tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning, because I have someone that's coming over. It's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna see if I hope I remember to put her on camera. My bestie, and hopefully she'll agree to let me put her on. We'll see. But I missed them so much. I had to just, like, we just did a virtual party or whatever. Like, we were dancing and I took a shot, and I just miss her so much because I'm just trying to stay safe. But I cannot wait until this is over. I so miss her. I so miss hanging out with my family, which you'll see my family this weekend because we're going to go and hand out presents to them this weekend. So yeah, it's going to be really awesome. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. Don't forget to share. That's the most important. Share my videos with everybody and see if they would want to be a part of the Darkberry crew. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.